Okay guys, it is time to have a little fun with the new truck project, and we're going to figure out today what gets the underside of these old things the cleanest. So we got two options. I'm going to spray one side down and scrub it underneath. I'll spray the other side down, scrub it underneath, and we're going to see which one does better. But it's time to get this sucker clean. Come on. Okay, so we're looking at my 91 Toyota pickup that I bought. And underneath, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little gross in places. It just has a little bit of general kind of muck and some buildup, if you will, underneath there. So I thought, wouldn't it be cool if we tried to figure out what would get all this stuff really, really clean? So I bought some soaps. We're gonna see how it works. I think we got a shot at this. This should go well. Okay, let's see. For one side, we're going to use the Dawn Platinum Plus Powerwash Dish Spray. The other side, we're using LA's Totally Awesome. It's an all-purpose concentrate cleaner, degreaser, and spot remover. This is from the Dollar Tree. This is $1.25, and it's as seen on TV. This has been incredible in my kitchen, so I thought, you know what? Let's try and see how it works. Plus, I got two toilet brushes. Look at that. Scrub buddies. These things are tough, so I'm going to work on getting the truck jacked up, take those front wheels off, and let's see what we find under there. What do you guys say? Okay, so this is just a rinse, right? We're not even talking pressure wash yet. You can see how much of the gunk came off. Looks a whole lot better. You can see a little bit of the gray in there. So let's turn the pressure washer on. I know I soaked the brakes. It'll be fine. They'll dry out. Hit it with brake clean. They'll be good to go. But boy, frame cleaned up real nice. You know, there's a blue shock in there. How about that? Didn't know it. These look better for sure, but let's keep going. Let's see how the other side looks. Okay, so this is the side with the Totally Awesome. This is just a light scrub over here and a little water, not pressure wash yet. Let's turn it up. Let's see what happens. I mean, what fun would it be if you didn't get totally blasted in the face by the pressure washer? All right, I'm going to grab the blower, try to dry them off a little bit, and then you guys help me decide which one did a better job. Okay, here is the LA Totally Awesome side. Great name. Great name. I hit both of these with the blower. This one's probably just a hair more wet. You can see it took more of the color off of the original kind of underbody protectant there. But I think that's just kind of removing the top layer of it. Seems pretty solid. Frame rails. But back here, I don't know, it's pretty clean. I mean, it definitely took a lot more of this stuff off. But this is an actual degreaser. But I don't know if the frame looks as clean back here as it does on the other side. That might just be how the paint is drying. I'm impressed either way, though. It looks a whole lot better. That's for sure. Okay, so what do you guys think? Do you think it was the Totally Awesome degreaser, or do you think the Dawn side? Might be too close to tell. They both did a great job. But next up, I'm going to do some LED headlights, I think. I'm going to go play with the spacers now and figure out how I can get these wheels to sit on there a little bit better. I might have to just take them and go have them machined to fit the hubs. I think this is a 73.1 on this truck. Yeah, I actually know it is. I'm a nerd like that. But nonetheless, this thing's really fun. I appreciate y'all watching. Have a little fun with me. Who knows what we're going to do with this thing? It's fun. Y'all got to help me decide. Because I picked up my spares from the drift truck, I have 4x4 fenders already. I got 4x4 turn signals. I could spray mom and black them on in an afternoon. But should I? That's the real question. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's a fun little ride. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends. You know, we get these numbers up high enough on the channel, I'm going to start giving some stuff away. So help me out, share with your friends. Maybe you can, who knows, maybe this could be yours one day. Thanks for watching. See you next time.